need to sort out my hair. I was going to say I need to sort out my follicles, but that sounds horrendous. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you've been around a little while, you will know that I am crochet addicted, which is something I kind of swore off. When I was younger, I was like, I don't want to do crochet, I don't want to knit, it's like a grandma thing. I am now officially an honorary grandma. I have more balls of wool than hairs on my head, and that's saying something. I am always over ambitious. I always want to make so many projects, and I cannot. So I'm gonna make another one of these videos of crochet projects I want to do for the summer or the remainder of the summer, and I might not be able to get them all done. So if you can do some for me, that would be fab. Make sure to tag me in your pictures if you do. I'm gonna kick off this video by showing you these dress patterns by Olivia Tully. I love her patterns so much. They're so Pinteresty, they're so pretty. So far I've only made the shorts that she made a tutorial for, but this dress is so pretty and I really want to make one of them. I don't care which, they're both gorgeous. Then there's also this top by Olivia Tully, which is so pretty. I saw it on her Instagram, but then I also stumbled across it on Pinterest completely separately, because I don't think I follow her on Pinterest, it just came up. So it must be getting pretty popular over there as well. There is this lace style crochet top that I really want to make. It's by Chenda DIY on YouTube. I have black yarn and I might try and make this afternoon. I've also recently found someone called Bellina Bellwood. She makes the coolest stuff, but my favorite is this like crochet granny square maxi skirt. I literally would die for this skirt, so I think I'm gonna have to make that one as well. There's also like a shorter skirt too, which I think is so cute, and I love the colour it's in. I just really like crochet skirts. I don't know what it is about it. This is honestly so shameful, but I'm gonna have to do it anyway. I kind of make crochet pieces and sell them on Depop. So if you want to check out my Depop, here are a few of the pieces that you could buy. But yeah, thought I'd just throw that in there. This reminded me because there's this crochet skirt on there and I think it's cute. I've also made a tutorial for that skirt, so if you want to make that skirt, I'll put it in the eye. Now, I don't know how I feel about wearing this personally, but this bikini is literally to die for. I have seen Dua Lipa wear loads of crochet bikinis at the moment. It kind of sparked my idea for making them. This crochet bikini is so cool. It's a Hello Kitty one, but I kind of want to make something similar. I know this is knitted, but I see these everywhere in not just knitted, but like in t-shirt material as well. I really like the star thing. I feel like it's a micro trend. It's been done in so many different ways that I don't think it's gonna go out of fashion. You can buy this one with Love by Say. They seem to make a lot of crochet pieces. I will leave a link to that in the description. But oh, what was that? Fuck. Something just like fell down my back. Oh, it was a hairpin. I literally saw my life flash before my eyes then. Heading on to Pinterest. Pinterest is like, I don't know what I'd do without Pinterest. I have two different Pinterest accounts. One is kind of for like more realistic lifestyle fashion stuff. Then I have another that is for extremely wacky stuff, and I have to keep them separate because otherwise Pinterest gets confused over my two different personalities. My crochet and knitting board has 850 pins and I want to make every single piece on here. I basically need to live in my room for a year and just crochet solidly. Right, this is an accessory that I think is, again, it's the star thing. I think that's what it is. But I've seen a lot of these crochet bags at the moment. My friend sent one to me and she wanted to know how to make one. And I was like, I really need to make one now because this is so cute. So I found a couple of them and I put them on my board. I really like this one and I really like the ribbons attached to it as well. There's this granny square dress, which usually granny square dresses have quite big granny squares. But I really like this one for its smaller granny squares. I also really like the colours. This skirt intrigues me. It intrigues me because I'm not sure if I would wear it or not, but I want to make it so bad. I guess you could do it in different colours. These have been so popular for so long, and it's the crochet checkered hat thing. I know you can buy them from somewhere. I don't know, I get more satisfaction out of making it myself. I really like the beanie version. This bikini I love so much. I think it's the colour combination with the yellow, the green, the orange, because I would just never put green and orange together in that way, but it works really well. There's also a lot of tube tops that I really want to make. So there's this pair, so you've got like the shorts and the top to go together. I really like the rainbowness, and then also the lace bits at the top and the bottom. I just think that's so cute. I've been thinking about this for a while because I made a little bag thing using acrylic wool, and I thought it had the texture of a carpet. It was like, it was really stiff. So I was like, I could crochet a carpet. I don't see why not. I don't know why I've never thought of it like that before, but I saw this one and I love checkered rugs, like black and white. There was the micro trend of all the checkered stuff for a long time, but I have always loved checkered and I still do. So I'm thinking maybe I wasn't entirely influenced by the trend and it is something that I actually really do like. I find that so hard to distinguish whether I like stuff or whether it's just a trend. There's this bikini, but it's so cool. It's like loads of little flowers joined together to make a bikini. I don't know how practical it would be. Like, would it fall apart when I'm wearing it? There's this picture, which I think is a skirt. I think it's a skirt. If it's not, I would make it as like a midi maxi skirt thing. But it's knitted, it's awesome, and I've found myself really drawn to the stripes of different colours, but then like the colour alternations change. That doesn't make sense, but hopefully from the picture you can kind of see what I mean. I saw this picture of like crocheted pasta and I kind of want it. This granny square is gorgeous. Here. This is kind of what I imagined the other skirt to look like. I realised it's knitting, and knitting makes me want to cry and rip my eyes out. Maybe you could crochet it. You can make stitches that look like knit stitches in crochet, so who knows. This is kind of wacky, but I really like it. It's like a smiley face bandana thing. I don't think I'd wear it, but I want to make it. This is kind of my dilemma. I want to make crazy stuff, but I don't want to wear it, so it's kind of like, what's the point? I think maybe I might crochet some bows, because if you saw my other video, I don't know if this one's going up first or the other one is, I made a video where I did a load of hairstyles with ribbons, and I feel like a crochet bow is a nice alternative if you are a bit fed up with ribbon. If you guys are knitters, or you've tried one of those knitting machines, you know the ones that are kind of trending at the moment with the circular drum thing and you kind of spin it and it knits. I'll put one on the screen because that was a terrible description. If you've tried one of those, let me know if it's worth it, because I am not a knitter. It frustrates me. I cry, like I said, pull my eyes out, but I really, really want to try that machine. Why did I say it like that? Just because I feel like then I can knit stuff without having a mental breakdown, or as many mental breakdowns. I don't know. I just want to know what you guys think of those things and if they actually do work. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really like watching videos like this because I feel like I get so much inspiration for stuff I want to make. My throat is, I'm actually losing my voice. I've made 2 videos in a row, which means I've been talking solidly for about 2 hours and my voice is going. So I think I'm gonna have to stop here, but I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If you make anything from this or have any questions or want any tutorials for stuff, let me know, because I have done tutorials for stuff like this in the past. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you all, and I will see you in next week's video, or the next video, because I'm making like maybe 2, maybe 3 a week if you're lucky. But yeah, I love you all.